Howdy, partners. It's Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. No, I can't do the Texas accent. Can I live in Texas? I've been here for like 12, 13 years, 2006, 2020, 14. Yeah, it'll be 14 years this year. Can't do the Texas accent. Every once in a while, I'll do it, y'all, but that's about it. So, anyways, um, what I wanted to talk to you today is about YouTube marketing, how you can start your own channel, who you need to go to for that. So, I am in Josh Elder's program. And right now, he has this incredible deal where you can get some beginner level stuff for only $7, learn how to sell high ticket products via YouTube and get your video marketing going. So I thought it would be really beneficial to show what happens when you don't listen to Josh and what it does. So anyways, let me share my screen. So anyways, there's a website called Tubix that I bought a subscription to, and basically they tell you your rating. So they say that my channel is rated poor, which is very unfortunate. I was actually expecting to log in thinking that my rating would be good. But the problem is, according to them, well, the four positive checks, I have a channel description, I have channel tags, channel art, upload frequency, because I'm making a video almost every day. I don't have any warnings. I have some errors, video tags, 0 videos are missing tags. So I don't know why it says that. That's not a problem. That's not. Here's the problem. Your video doesn't foster comments. So like I said, it's nothing that I haven't, it's not, how do I say this? The course has helped me make money. I made $600 this week because of my YouTube channel. So in spite of this software saying that my channel is poor, and like I said, this is only one service, but I know that I'm doing a good job because people are actually reaching out to me. They're adding me on Facebook. Hey, Nick, I saw your video. Or people would say that, I saw your video on Impact Mailing Club and I saw that you guys are having a promo. I really liked your video. I want to join your team. Okay, that's happened twice this week. So in spite of the low score on my channel, I'm actually getting positive results. Now, why am I getting low scores? It says that my videos don't foster comments. This makes me really sad because almost every single video, I say, hey guys, if you like this video, leave a comment below. Let me know what you liked. If you have any comments, let me know questions. Let me know where you're from. Because what I want to do is stimulate conversation because that will help my metrics. So if you can leave me a comment below, interact with me a little bit, that'll help. So, but I also have to do something on my end. I need to make my content more worthy of you guys actually taking time to comment. So, like I said, it's on me. So once that improves, then my score will go up. I'm also getting a low number of likes. So people are watching my videos. They're even reaching out to me and stuff, at least on Facebook, but they're not leaving me comments and they're not liking my video. So like, subscribe, comment. I don't know what order it's in, but that's what a lot of people say. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, leave a comment below. Those are the three things that Facebook, why did I say Facebook? Those are the three things that YouTube looks for. So obviously I'm a little disappointed by the score, but not that much because this week I made $600 because of YouTube. So I'm going to get over it. But like I said, Josh is teaching a lot of things in his course. What he's doing right now is he's taking his younger brother, Aaron, and Aaron doesn't have that much internet marketing experience. Him and his brother, they didn't build this business together or anything, but his brother is taking him under his wing and saying, hey, we're going to build up your, YouTube channel and we're going to go through this whole process together. That way, all the other people in the group can follow along. We make a video for you, they can follow along. So it's almost like everybody gets to be Josh's younger brother or sister in this situation. Just kind of follow the leader, right? So I've been falling behind on that. That's my fault. I've just been really busy with a lot of things. I need to go through those videos because I'm several weeks behind at this point. So that's going to help my quality as well, because Josh is teaching some amazing things in there. He's teaching you, how to promote affiliate products, how to do launch jacking, really quality stuff that you can learn to really get your YouTube channel going. He taught us this one thing that one of my friends implemented during a launch of a high ticket product, and he was able to make, I can't remember, was it like $12,000 in like a handful of days, whatever the case may be. He made a lot of money very quickly. It had nothing to do with how many subscribers he had or what, there's people that have like 10, 20, 30,000 subscribers. He only had like 3 or 4,000. And because he followed Josh's system, he was able to leverage everything and get a lot of people to buy that product from him and take him up on his bonuses and everything. So I need to learn those steps as well. So anyways, like I said, you go to Nicholas Lau, that's my name, NicholasLal.com, YouTube 7, because I believe I believe it's $7 to get started. Let's just go through the process together. I'll just put an email in there. Okay, how to launch a highly profitable online business promoting other people's little known products. So essentially what he's saying here, I'm going to teach you how to make a business by promoting other people's products. And they don't have to be the most successful people in the world. They don't have to be the biggest names. You can take other people's products. There's people out there that have amazing products, but they're not very well known. And this is the type of program that's going to help you promote those products. Remember, you don't have to create your own products. There's plenty of products out there that you can be affiliates of. As a matter of fact, like on my whiteboard, remember in the last couple of videos, I've been promoting Brie Marie's course for Pinterest. So that's an affiliate product. So if any of you buy that, I'm going to make an affiliate sale. That's why I did that. That's kind of the basis of what Josh is teaching. Okay. So let's not put my primary email in. Let's put a secondary email. Okay. Let me in. All right. Okay, and I'm not going to turn this on, but basically this is Josh. He's explaining what you're going to get out of this program right here. One-time payment of $7, and that's it. $7, you're into the program. If you want to go to this next level thing, I believe it's like $47 a month, or I believe he's changing it for the people that don't want to pay $47 a month. One-time payment of $197. I don't know if that's official yet. That's what he's been talking about in the group, is giving people a chance to just pay one time and get that membership for life. So, I mean, think about it. $47 a month, let's just do the math, right? 47, if you were to pay for that, that would be $564 a year. He's giving you a chance one time to get it. You're going to save $367 the first year, and then $47 a month after that. It's a no-brainer to get it for $197. But my thing is, get in for $7. See what you can learn from this man, because he is really, really good at what he does. Like I said, he has over 50,000 subscribers. He's become a millionaire because of YouTube. That Ferrari that's parked in his garage, YouTube is the reason that he has that. And, you know, it's done a lot for him. It can do a lot for you too. He's giving away all of his secrets, you know, so get into the program. And like I said, if you use my link below to get into the program, then we will have, you know, you'll have access to me. I'll give you a consultation. Anytime I'm promoting a product, sometimes I'll get exclusive offers because you know, I'm friends with different people, and they'll be like, hey, you know, do you want to promote my product? Because it's not like a launch that's open to the public, but they can still make affiliate links. Every once in a while, I'll get access to those type of things. So, you know, that's one reason. And then, you know, I have 5 years of experience. I'm going to teach you where to go get traffic from, you know, for cheap. Like I said, I was a solo ad vendor for 5 years. If you don't know what solo ad is, it's an email traffic. If you want to go to my site, it's nixclicks.biz, right? And if you ever need any traffic, this is where to get it from. And you can get it a lot cheaper because just message me first. So if you go to nixclicks.biz, you'll learn more about me. You'll see how many people have bought traffic from me, what type of opt-in. So let's just say you had an affiliate offer. Okay, you're going to put it on YouTube, but you're like, well, you know, I want to send some email traffic to it. You can get email traffic from me. You can get results like all of these people. So, you know, I don't want to get too off topic. As a matter of fact, I don't know why I've never done a YouTube video about my solo ad business. I guess technically I am now, but that wasn't the point. So anyways, the point is you just go over here, you click, and then that's it. You just go over here and I think this is where you just pay your $7 and you're in, and there's some testimonials down here from other affiliate marketers. So that's pretty much it. I don't want to keep this video too long. I really want you guys to get into the high ticket affiliate accelerator. So click on the link in the description below And once you get in, just let me know. Just shoot me over an email. Say, hey, Nick, I got into the high ticket traffic accelerator under you. I wondered if we can get on a call for half an hour and discuss some ways to promote things. And I'd be more than happy to get on a call with you. I'll give you some discounts to traffic. If you want to buy any traffic from me, just let me know. Eventually I might actually release a small course on how to get into the solo ad business. That way you're not buying traffic. If you have a desire to become a vendor, we can discuss that as well. So there's plenty of different options. But my whole point is that if this guy with a poor rating thanks to Tubix can still make $600 this week, then there's plenty of room. Just think about it. As I'm actually learning this more and implementing this, remember my channel just started. I have 70 subscribers. Josh has 50,000. If I made $600 this week and I only have 70 subscribers, imagine what's going to happen when my channel actually takes off. So I'm very optimistic. I don't care about this grade because they tell you what you're doing wrong. So now I know what to correct. So again, let's go through this one more time because I'm asking very, very nicely. Subscribe, like, comment. So if you hit the subscribe button, then there's a little heart there. If you click that, I guess that's the like. And if you go in the comments below, if you say, hey, Nick, nice video, or hey, Nick, I have a question about this, or hey, Nick, my name is blah, blah, blah. I'm from here. Good to meet you. And by the way, add me on Facebook. If you're on Facebook, I'll leave my Facebook link below. I love making new friends. So anyways, and you can always reach out to me if you need help with anything. I try to get back to people in a timely fashion. I'm not one of those people that shut people off. If you have a question, ask your question. I will give you the answer. If I don't know the answer, I will go find the answer for you. Maybe not right away, maybe not overnight, but I will get you that answer. Sometimes you have to follow up with me. Hey, Nick, by the way, did you figure out that question I had? I'll get the answer for you. I've been around long enough. I know enough people in this industry that I can get you in the answer and point you in the right direction. Okay. So bottom line, if you want to be like me and have a poor rated YouTube channel where you still make money, click on the link below and get into Josh's program. Like I said, I'm not a testament to Josh's program. I need to go through it. I've implemented some beginner things. I've just been really busy with other things. But if you have time, his content is amazing. Actually, as a matter of fact, let me see if we can go into, is it high ticket? I don't know if it's this link or another link. Sometimes I get, no, I don't know. Next selection, okay, the portal, okay. Give you all a little sneak peek so you know that I'm actually in the program and not just promoting it. So, okay, here's the 0 to 10 system. Here's the traffic pathway. There's some case studies here. Here's the whole section on scaling up. Here's the section on YouTube free traffic. Here's more case studies. And this is what I was talking about, the launch jacking. So like I said, I don't think you'll get all of this because I'm at the highest level, but at the $7 level, you're going to get some of this. And if you decide to stay on for the $47 a month or the one-time $197, it'll open up more things. Bottom line is, start with something, get some success. After you've made some money, then move up and see what else Josh has, because this is going to be the program for you if you're serious about starting a YouTube channel. I mean, honestly, I'm going to start my mom a YouTube channel for cooking because she's a good cook. She can make some amazing Indian dishes. So I figure, let me, I don't have like a studio camera or anything, but she can tell people what her recipe is and everything. And I think it'll be fun for her, give her something to do. My brother is a really good poker player. If he wants to give poker tips, he can start his own channel. So people don't realize that YouTube is just a search engine, right? It's a video search engine. Just like I would say with Brie Marie's course, that Pinterest is a visual search engine. So YouTube is a search engine. It is the second largest search engine in the world, and it's owned by Google, which is the first largest search engine in the world. So just take those things into consideration, that when people are on Google searching for things and those videos populate, it could be your video that populates. They can click on it, you can make a sale. After you have 4,000 hours watched and 1,000 subscribers, Google, YouTube, they'll send you a letter saying, hey, your channel has been monetized. If you'd like to run ads, you can. That way, when ads run before your video starts, every time an ad runs, you'll get paid a little bit. And after a while, that starts adding up. Like my friend, I think last month he made like $600. $600 just for letting people run advertisements on his page, just free money. $600 is a car payment. Let's think about that for a second, because my Maxima car payment is like think $534, right? So just think about it. He has built his channel with so much quality and in such a short period of time, like 6 or 7 months, right? And now he's making enough money from YouTube, not from his affiliate products, just from people running ads. He's making enough money to pay his car payment. I don't know what he drives, but I'm saying what he's making would pay my car payment. So that got me motivated. I was like, oh man, if I can get my channel monetized and put some more quality content out there, that's one less thing to worry about. Let's just say you made $100 a month, $200 a month. It's your groceries. Just think about it. By putting content out there, you can make money. Plus, if people watch your content and they like what you're selling, you can make affiliate sales too, right? So I'm going to be getting really big on this. I'm going to do more videos on it. I'm going to start going through the process. I promise. I'm going to start going through Josh's process, and I'm going to, let you guys know about my results. We'll do videos to say how I'm coming along with Josh's process, but just let you know that without really doing anything yet, without going through this new case study process with his brother, I've already made $600 this week, right? So that's a big deal for me. And it just showed me the power of YouTube, that if you can come out here and just be your true authentic self, this is me, this is who you get. This is the same Nick you're going to see in person. I'm not the type that's going to come in front of the camera and dress all nice and say, this is my Lamborghini and this is my nice car. Not that there's anything wrong with anybody that does that. I'm just saying that's not me. Okay. So the me that you see right now is the same me you're going to find in person, at the grocery store, sitting down one-on-one, on the phone, whatever the case may be. This is me and my true authentic self. This is how I am. So, like I say, what you see is what you get. I am somebody that spends a lot of time helping people. So, if you work with me, I will make sure I do what I can to ensure you're a success, right? Now, that means you have to put in the work too. I can't do the work for you, but I can motivate you. I can push you there. I can give you tips and tricks and let you know what's working for me. So, anyways, and if you wanted to know which program that was that made me $600 this week, it was Impact Mailing Club. So, if you want information on that, just go to imc.cash. It's my shortcut link, so imc.cash. If you go to that website, it'll go to my thing. And right now we're having a promo. That's why it's doing so well. If people get in at the $100 level, we'll bump them up to $250. If they come at the $500 level, we'll bump them up to the $2,000 level. That's why that promo is working so well. And that promo is going till March 6th. So if you want to get in on that program, go ahead and do it. I would strongly suggest it. Direct mail marketing is awesome. It's amazing how things have changed. That, it used to be back, in the 90s, it's like, oh my gosh, I can't wait to go online. I can't wait to check my mail. Now our email box is just overrun with spam, right? And when something comes in the postal mail, it's like, oh my gosh, I got a letter. So it's funny how things have changed in the last 30 years, but that's where we're at. Direct mail marketing is becoming very popular again because they look at it as a way to reach out to people and get through all the clutter of online. So if you want to know more about that, imc.cash. If you want to know about Josh's program, nicholaslau.com/YouTube7, both links will be in the description area below. Subscribe, like, comment, please. It's like I'm taking a lot of time here to talk to you guys about this because I want you guys to have YouTube channels. I want them to succeed. When you guys send me your YouTube channels, I'm going to subscribe. I'm going to like it. I'm going to comment it. So please do the same. Reciprocate. Let's all win together. I hope to see you in Josh's high ticket affiliate accelerator program. And if you're interested in direct mail, imc.cash. Reach out to me about either program. I'd be more than happy to help you and answer your questions. Again, this is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. Sorry that this video was so long. Anyways, hopefully everybody is having a good day, good evening, and a good week. And I will talk to you soon.